The hidden world of deep sea. Exploration. Beneath the sunlit surface of our oceans lies a realm darker than the blackest night, colder than ice, and more alien than space, the deep sea. It begins where sunlight ends, typically around 200 meters, 656 feet below sea level, and plunges down to over 11,000 meters, 36,000 feet, in the Mariana Trench. This mysterious world, largely unexplored, holds astonishing secrets and creatures, news that defy imagination. A frontier less explored than the moon. Despite covering more than 70% of Earth's surface, over 80% of our oceans remain unmapped and unseen by human eyes. In contrast, more people have walked on the moon than have visited the deepest parts of the ocean. The challenges are immense. Crushing pressures, near-freezing temperatures, and total darkness make deep-sea exploration one of the most demanding scientific endeavors. Technology that dives into the unknown. To explore these depths, scientists use specially designed submersibles and remotely operated vehicles, ROVs. These machines are built to withstand pressure thousands of times greater than at sea level. Advanced sonar mapping, robotic arms, and high-resolution cameras allow researchers to study undersea terrain and life in real time. Some notable technologies include DSV, Alvin, famous for exploring the Titanic wreck. ROV. Jason, used by WHOI, Woods Hole Oceanographic Institution, for deep-sea missions. AUVs, autonomous underwater vehicles, like Nereus and Bodie McBoatface, which collect data without direct human control. Creatures from the abyss. The deep sea is home to some of the planet's most bizarre and captivating life forms. These animals have adapted to extreme conditions in remarkable ways. Anglerfish lures prey with a glowing appendage. Giant squid, once a legend, now occasionally captured on camera. Yeti crab, a blind crustacean with hairy claws that farm bacteria. Vampire squid, a creature that straddles the line between octopus and squid with a cloak-like webbing. Bioluminescence is common, with many species generating their own light to attract prey, deter predators, or communicate. Why deep-sea exploration matters. Exploring the deep sea isn't just about discovering strange creatures. It's vital to understanding our planet. Climate science. Deep oceans regulate Earth's temperature and store vast amounts of carbon. Geology. Underwater volcanoes and tectonic activity shape continents. Medicine. Novel compounds from deep-sea organisms show potential for new drugs. Sustainability. Deep-sea ecosystems are being impacted by deep-sea mining and pollution, urging the need for protection. The future of deep-sea discovery. As AI, robotics, and sensor technologies advance, we're on the brink of a golden age in ocean discovery. Projects like the Ocean Observatories Initiative and Seabed 2030 aim to map the entire ocean floor and unlock secrets that could reshape our understanding of life and Earth's history.